Hi guys, my name is Mudassir. In this video I will show you how to make barbell that can only be used for deadlift, rows, and deadlift include the Romanian deadlift and the traditional deadlift. And this barbell can only use for other exercise, but I will show you only these exercises. Overall.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
Alright guys, if you like this video then don't forget to hit up the thumbs up button and also comment down below if you like this idea. My next video will be about a light version of dumbbells and barbells. If you want to get the video notification as quickly as possible, then don't forget to hit up the subscribe button and also turn on the notification for my video by clicking the bell icon. See you next time.